What is going on, friends, family, people of the YouTube world? Still don't have an intro. It's been forever, and I've kind of been itching to make content for you guys again. The reasons I've been gone definitely have nothing to do with this beautiful Harley Davidson Street Glide that me and my wife spent all summer riding, because this Jeep has been taking forever to build. So we bought another toy. Basically, that was just to hold me over. I love riding motorcycles. I've always had one. When we bought our house, I sold my last Harley. So we dove back into the Harley bike life, and we're enjoying it. It's a lot of fun. I'm not gonna put too much content about that on the old YouTubes, because that's kind of just like the personal toy, something I can tinker around with not having to worry about filming. Unless you guys want to see some Harley modification content. Drop a comment down below if you want to see some Harley stuff, but everything garage content related could be on here, because that's what I enjoy doing. So yes, I am back. Been gone for like 2 or 3 months, but I have been working on my Jeep a little bit in the background. I did film it, and here in just a little bit, I'm going to throw those clips in to get you guys caught back up to speed. And the reason we are diving back into making content all of a sudden after my long hiatus is Built JL, Alex, my buddy, he just got his JL back from Motobuilt. So we've been thrashing on that thing. Well, he has been. He's now home, and he's looking to do a lot of traveling and wheeling this year. And he's like, bruh, you should definitely come to California with me in 8 months with your Jeep. So somehow I have to get this thing thrown together in like the next 8 or 9 months, whatever it is, to make it to the Rubicon Trail in California for the Jeepers Jamboree 70th annual party. So my wife's down for it, I'm down for it. Somehow we have to get this thing done. Enough talking, let's dive into today's video. What's up, you jabronis? It's been a while, and I have been working on the Jeep a little bit. Life got a little hectic, and just been busy in general. But I told you guys I was going to make a video about the trunnion bearing upgrade for this LS engine, which if you look over there, I don't know if you can see it, probably not. Boop. The heads are on. I'm almost ready to stick the engine back in the Jeep, but first we got to get this valve train together. Without further ado, I'm going to show you how to press out those old crappy needle bearing bushings, or bearings I guess, and install the new bronze bushing. So let's do it. Here we go. Step numero uno is el removo, a rocker from the rail, and we are going to be pressing out that bearing on the inside. This bearing uses needle bearings inside, which are prone to come apart with a lot of rev limiter, banging, popping, all the fun stuff. We are going to be upgrading to a bronze bushing. But first, we need to go ahead and press this out. Okay, and recap. So now we are officially caught back up to present day, and I feel good about that. That means I'm not behind. So as you can see, the Jeep is sitting over there, and today's mission is to start prepping the Jeep for its journey to Cody's house to get out of my garage, because I gotta do some side work to be able to afford the parts to get this thing back together. And we are just now breaking into November, and it's getting cold outside, so no more working in the driveway. First thing on the list of many is obviously I'm waiting on parts to put the rest of the engine together, but I need to get that grill secured and be able to close the hood with my hood latches so the hood doesn't completely fold over the windshield when it's on the trailer going down the road. So first thing, let's well, I already kind of started. I forgot that I was going to start making YouTube content again. Went ahead and cut some brackets out of cardboard, some CAD design, and we are going to start fabbing up brackets to go ahead and mount this radiator. Let's see if that'll stay. Go ahead and RIP. Cue fabrication montage. Let's go. So those are doodled on there. The next thing is grabbing our grinder and getting to cut it, which leads me to a fun little moment. You guys see these trick little brackets right here? My buddy Bill, YJ Bill, if you remember, we did a walk around video of his CJ. He has that CNC plasma table, so he hit me up and asked me if I wanted some grinder holders. I said, sure. Cut those out, he bent them, he sent them to me and told me to give them a try, see how they hold up. And, what up, Evan Doucet? They've been holding up great. So if you guys want anything custom cut, you want brackets or storage solutions, hit up Bill. He also has a business account right there. Go ahead and hit him up. Tell him that I sent you and he'll get you taken care of. Let's make some parts. All right, so there they are, kind of roughed in. They're gonna end up bolting right on there like such. And then back here, there'll be an ear that comes off of that. So it'll be 2 bolts on the grill, 1 back there. Should keep it pretty stable. And we're gonna add a couple speed holes into here. There is your final-ish product. It's gonna bolt 2 bolts right there and then a tab right off of that. And it should hold this grill perfectly in place. There you have it. Those are drilled out. Now, I said I was going to not use this hole. I was going to put another one up here. But what I learned from this side was where this is rib nutted down in, trying to drill beside it, this extends pretty far out, which made drilling that side pretty miserable. So we went ahead and used that hole. Those line up there pretty good. And then now we just need to come up with a tab that'll weld onto here, and we'll through bolt it down once we get this grill nice, even, and level. Went ahead and just got these little tabs cut out. That's how they're gonna sit. And when I ran outside to grab an extension cord really quick, just so happened to be a box showed up. So I'm gonna open it. This could be one of many things that are coming from Speedway. Maybe they threw everything inside of it. I don't know. But we haven't had an unboxing on the channel in a long time. Let's see what it is. It is a bunch of parts. So I have a dipstick for the engine, an ICT billet valley cover, some EGR stuff, a bracket for what should be inside here. No, this is the relocation kit. All right, well, we're still waiting on a throttle body. That will hopefully show up soon. Okay, unboxing done. Okay, so with those parts showing up, that only means one thing: more content to come. I'm pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. It's supposed to be just a little update video for you guys with a little bit of fabrication to spice up the mood since I've been gone for so long. But feels good to be back. I missed making content for you guys and expect more videos to come soon with all the new parts sitting on my shelf. So that being said, I always say with that being said, drop a comment down below, say what's up, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram @HunkOfJunk, and we'll see you maybe tomorrow or the next day. Later.